YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy NateJustDope, back with another video. And JD Nation was on with it, man. Today's video, as y'all can see by the title, yes, I'm bringing back a hair video, man. Hair video is coming back. I haven't forgot, what started this channel. Hair video is coming back today, man. So what I'll be doing is, I have a lot of people hit me up asking me how do I part my hair and section off my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for y'all. It is hair care day today. Is Friday, and I need to go ahead and do something with this head because your boy has been just neglecting my hair lately. I haven't been like taking care of it like I should have been, but now it's the summertime and I need to get back on it, man. So yeah, I will be detangling, and well, I'll be showing you how I part my hair, but in the process I'm gonna be detangling my hair at the same time because later on I'm going to get it braided. So I think I did a video on this. Matter of fact, no I didn't. I don't know. I think I did it, but it was like a long time ago. So it's like a little updated, detangling my hair and also parting my hair. Show y'all how I part my hair and everything. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. I ain't gonna keep y'all waiting any longer, man. Y'all been waiting, y'all been asking for hair content, man. So yeah, it's back, so let's do it, man. Let's go. Oh yeah, and before I get started, I will be washing my hair off camera and everything, so y'all won't be seeing me wash my hair. But I use the Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo right here. Y'all see this bottle is almost empty, so I need to go re-up on that. And then for the conditioner, I will be using the Not Out conditioner, All Natural anti-shrinkage conditioner. Today is a full hair day, so I will be really going in because I haven't really been taking care of my hair like that. So yeah, today is like real deal Holyfield hair care day. So yeah, I got my hair cut like last Saturday, so it's time. And then while I'm detangling my hair, I will be using this to detangle my hair, the As I Am, let it focus, the As I Am leave-in conditioner. I love this conditioner right here. It makes my hair very slippery, so it's easy to get it out the knot. To get out the knots and all that stuff. So my hair is very difficult to work with, so hopefully this will make it a whole lot easier. So now with that being said, let's get into it. Alright YouTube, so I got my hair washed, finished washing my hair and everything, conditioning it and all that, man. I had to really get it cleaned and stuff, man, because I ain't washed it in like 2 or 3 weeks. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But now, yeah, so as y'all see, this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the actual separating and parting my hair, show you how I do it. All right, so like I said, I will be detangling my hair in the process. So first I'm just gonna show y'all how I separate my hair, and then I'm gonna get into actually detangling my hair. So yeah, the first thing is I separate down the middle. Now I naturally have a part when I wash my hair down the middle, so that's like automatic, so it automatically parts by itself, so I don't really have to do much for the middle part. But the first thing is first, you do want to make a part down the middle, and that's going all the way back. I won't be doing like a full like detail, like trying to make it perfect. I'm just doing like finger parting, not actually using like a rectangle comb to separate my hair. So first thing I do, now this is only because like my hair is long and I need like separation completely, so I separate one side of my head and then I work on one side by itself. Next, after I got the full, show you out the back. Hopefully y'all saw that. Like I said, it ain't gonna look perfect just because I'm getting it done later on, but I'm just showing y'all what it'll look like. All right, so next I go for I kind of do like a little bit of math, kind of like go half on the top. So like right there, I separate it right there, and I just start separating it. And this is like the most difficult part because my hair is very hard to work with. I'm almost through there. It's like trying to cut through thick grass or something, bro. Like this. Then I just make a section like in the front. There we go. Okay, so we got one right here. Here you go. All right, so that's one. And this usually takes like especially when it gets to the back, it takes a while, so I may just skip this part. But yeah, so that's all I really do. You just separate it like that. I'll probably do like the side, and then since y'all can't really see the back, I'm gonna stop the video and then come back when I finish my whole head, because it's gonna take at least like 10 minutes. Pretty much done with this side. Let me see. Yeah, that's good for right now. Alright, so bam. Don't know that key at. Yeah. Alright, so got that separated. Now make sure these sections are secured so I can work on the other side. And I will be getting my box braids back today, so yes for the box braids. Haven't had them in a long time. Alright, so now I'm gonna work on this side and I'm gonna come right back to y'all so y'all can see the final product of me separating my hair. Alright, so finally done after like 15 minutes. But yeah, I finally got it done. Got it all separated. The back. I don't know which way the camera facing, but y'all see that, man. And the sides. Bam. So yeah, I think I did a video on how I detangle my hair. I use the As I Am leave-in conditioner. It's very slippery, so I'll be able to detangle my hair very easily. So yeah, I will go ahead and do that. And I'm not gonna show everything just for the sake of this video. I will show the final product once I'm done. I will be twisting my hair as well as I go. Well, not twisting all the way because I'm going to get it done later, but I'm going to be doing like big twists so that it'll be making the process of getting braids a lot easier. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward and show y'all the final product, and yeah. All right, so I'm done. They're like big chunky twists. I don't feel like taking them out of the rubber band, but y'all can see they in the back. So yeah, I'm finna go get my hair braided up, you know what I'm saying? Detangle my hair and all that, man. It took me like an hour. But yeah, so hope y'all enjoyed this video and everything. I know it wasn't really like something crazy, but just to give y'all a little something, man. I guess I'll show you my braids. Well, y'all already seen my braids, man. Yeah, you ain't gonna see that. But yeah, comment some more hair video ideas that y'all wanna see down below. And I'll do that for y'all, man. I'm trying to push out some more hair content for y'all, man. And yeah, man, just be on the lookout for more changes. Yeah, man, just be on the lookout for more changes, bro. And comment some hair video ideas down below and all that good stuff, man. So yeah, now with that being said, if you're new, you like what you see, go down and hit the subscribe button. Once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop the videos, because they will drop randomly, like I always say. Good vibes only, 454. The summer collection is on the way. Be on the lookout for that, man. I know I haven't really been talking about it lately, but it is on the way. Trust me, it's on the way, bro. So be on the lookout for all that, man. I want to thank y'all for all the support that y'all been showing it, because I leaked like the images and stuff of what the design and stuff is gonna be and all that stuff, man. So y'all been showing it mad love. That's my first time saying mad love. Crazy love, all that stuff, man. Y'all been showing it love, man, supporting it and all that stuff, man. So be on the lookout for the release date and all that stuff. I'm looking towards the end of June, but if not, definitely probably like the first or second week in July, man. So be on the lookout for that. And we're gonna do it like that, man. We're gonna run it up, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, comment hair video ideas down below and I will bring them out to y'all, man. Summer, it's going crazy. Second half of summer, man, I'm going crazy, bro. Just know I'm going crazy with the uploads, man. Your boy's gonna get back on his consistency, you know what I'm saying? So now, with that being said, it's your boy, NateJustDope, signing out. Deuces. I'm off this one. I couldn't get a bill paid. You couldn't buy the real thing. I was sitting up in your place, trying to figure out the whole thing. I saw people doing things.
name.